Hello, this is Ryan with Hawaii Lifted Jeep Rentals. Today I wanted to go over how to switch the vehicle into 4x4 and the different functions of the 4x4. So first, you can be driving up to 20 miles per hour and put the vehicle into 4 high, just straight back from 2 high. Continue moving on the dashboard. It'll show you that it's in 4 high there in yellow. Next, if you wanted to go into 4 low for going down really steep grade or getting over an obstacle, you put the vehicle in neutral first, then you go to the right all the way back. Sometimes it's a little bit hard. There we go. The vehicle will tell you that it's gone into 4 low now. Then when it's changed, you can continue on. Next, if you were over the obstacle or done going down the steep grade and you get back to pavement, you put it back in neutral, stop the vehicle, go straight up and right into 4 high, and then drive. And while you're driving, moving the vehicle, you can switch it back into 2 high for pavement driving. I hope that has helped you with any questions you may have for switching your Jeep into 4x4 high and 4x4 low. Aloha.